Spectacular. Hello guys, today thanks to Daniele, our friends, l'uomo di casa, I will show you how to make homemade Amaro from Calabria. Is a herbal liqueur from the south of Italy. The region is called Calabria. Daniele already sent me the mix of all the spices, all the herbs, but don't worry, now I give you the list. This recipe is not in our book because Daniele created this recipe after that we have already published our book. He posted the video. Now we'll do the English version, but don't worry because like me, in the center of the book, on page, now I'll show you, page 50, you can find the list with 40 herbs that we have used to do other Amaro liqueur. So you can write the name and make, for example, I use the X, Amaro from Calabria, X. So near the herbs and the spices that we use, I put the X, and also I add the other one that was not mentioned in the list. Super easy, like when I done the other Amaro, the 21 herbs Amaro, I use the D. So up to you, decide that you like it. So for this recipe, we need 5 grams of each of these ingredients. Start anise, juniper, mint, licorice, chamomile, orange zest, hyssop, bitter orange zest, mandarin zest, helichrysum, hop, vanilla, and myrtle. Add the alcohol, 1 liter of alcohol, pure alcohol, ethanol, alcohol, 96% of alcohol content. We close with the lid and we should wait 30 days. So see you in 1 month. After 30 days, we prepare the syrup, 1 liter of water and 400 grams of raw sugar cane raw, very dark. This one I bring it from Thailand because the sugar cane in Thailand is really spectacular, kind of licorice. So when the sugar melts, we turn off the stove, we cover with a lid and we wait to reach the room temperature. After we can mix our syrup with the alcohol. You can write some notes again in the book. 1 liter of water and 400 grams of sugar cane or raw sugar. For the tasting, I have invited a special guest, so see you in 1 week for the tasting with a special guest. Spectacular. I don't know if you ever tried Amaro del Capo, but this is really spectacular. You can taste at the beginning mint and licorice, and after you have the bitterness at the end. So it's not too sweet, really spectacular.
We have to remember that This recipe is not included in this book because it's a new recipe, but in the future, maybe there is another book with other recipes that you can try.
Yes. So if you bought this book, let us know down in the comment, and also you can sign the recipe in the book like I showed before in the video. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, to watch or share this video with your friends. Any question, any advice, always down in the comment.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
This is mine.
No. Okay, I lost my liquor.